Okay, pretty excited about today. Leaving Mohawk right now. Look what I got. I got the road glide just in time because I got a ride tomorrow. Today is actually Thursday. I got a ride on Saturday. And he fixed the throttle. Looks good. Really good. Let me just show you something real quick. You guys see how nice is that? You like push it back and it come forward. Really no issue. Let's do it again. Either way, that was not like that. It had like a little part when you went down and kind of hits it and it stuck and then kind of release. And obviously that was an issue for slow operations and things like that, making U-turn. It was a really big issue. So I'm glad that's fixed. And here's the road glide. So again, all that stuff was changed. And here's the road glide, just giving you a quick look right here. You guys see me here in Mohawk. I've been here multiple times. He did the bars on my Road King Classic. He have fixed my oil changes or oil leaks. He has done services in my bike. Really not too much more to say. Solid dude, and he has done pretty well for me. So again, I'm just gonna go home right now, and I'll let you know if anything happens. But I got the 360 right here, so I'm just gonna do a quick ride home, show you some of the 360 footage. And if something happened, I stop. If you don't see me talking again, obviously it's good to go, right? So again, we're probably gonna do an update on it in the next couple weeks or something. It died on me again, man. Okay, it did about the same again. I had to bring it back. And we cleared some codes. Let's see how it goes. So hopefully it fixed this stuff. That is working now. Nevertheless, that throttle thing was so messed up. It's so much better now. Colorado is so much better. Really a lot better.